Welcome to Tic-tac-toe competition. We got red, blue, toucan, and a bomb competing. Let's begin. First round is toucan versus red. Let's begin. Let me see what I'm going to play. Okay, my turn. Okay. Easy! Take that, you nerd! What you say? I said nerd. Well, looks like we got our first winner, Toucan. You can move on to the second round. Alright. Sorry, Red, but you lose. Yeah, fine, whatever. I'll try next time. It's time for the second round. Our second round is bomb is blue. So let's start the second round, I guess. Alright, here we go. You're going down. No. Well, let's see about that. Easy, I win. Wait, what? That's not fair. Looks like we got our second winner. Bomb, you can move on. Yay. Sorry, Blue, but you're out, and that's fine. Now it's time for the final round. Toucan versus Bomb. Let's see who's going to win. This will be easy. I don't think so. I'm a master at tic-tac-toe. I play it every single day. I've never seen you play tic-tac-toe in my life. Well, you just did, so... Face. See? I told you I would win. Oh, dang it. Well, looks like we got our winner, Bomb. Yay, I win. So, Toucan, you placed second place. Alright, I'll take it. So, Bomb, your prize is... Wait, what's your prize? You don't have a prize? Sadly, I don't, but... Come with me, I'll show you the prize, alright? So, your prize is... Just get on with it, alright. Here you go. Oh, is that new gun I always wanted? Yes. Thank you. Well, that concludes today's episode of Tic-tac-toe. See you next time.